StoryNest.
Princess Lily, with her auburn hair cascading down her shoulders and a curious glint in her emerald eyes, wandered along the familiar coastline near her castle. The salty breeze carried the cries of gulls, and the rhythmic crash of waves against the shore was a constant melody in her young life. Today, however, a peculiar shimmer beneath the turquoise surface of a secluded cove caught her attention. It wasn't the usual sparkle of sunlight on water. This was an iridescent glow, pulsating with an otherworldly energy. Drawn by an irresistible curiosity, Lily ventured closer, her bare feet sinking into the cool, damp sand. As she reached the water's edge, the shimmering intensified, swirling and expanding until it formed a swirling vortex of light and color. It looked like a liquid doorway, its depths hinting at a world unseen. Hesitantly, Lily reached out a hand, and as her fingers brushed against the swirling energy, she felt a gentle tug, an invitation to step through. Taking a deep breath, her adventurous spirit overcoming her apprehension, Princess Lily plunged into the shimmering portal. The world dissolved into a kaleidoscope of blues and greens, the sensation of falling quickly replaced by a gentle buoyancy. When her vision cleared, Lily found herself in an awe-inspiring underwater realm. Corals of every imaginable hue bloomed in vibrant gardens, schools of luminous fish darted through swaying kelp forests, and magnificent structures crafted from pearl and shimmering seashells dotted the landscape. This was Aquamarina, the legendary underwater kingdom she had only heard whispered about in old sailors' tales. As Lily gazed in wonder, a figure approached her, gliding gracefully through the water. She was a mermaid, her tail shimmering with scales of sapphire and silver, her long flowing hair the color of sea foam. A delicate crown of pearls adorned her head, and her kind, intelligent eyes held a hint of sadness. This was Princess Coralia, heir to the throne of Aquamarina. "Welcome, Landwalker," Coralia said, her voice like the gentle murmur of waves. "I am Princess Coralia. We have been expecting you." Lily was surprised. "Expecting me? How?" Coralia explained that an ancient prophecy foretold the arrival of a surface dweller who would help restore the fading magic of their kingdom. Coralia led Lily through the magnificent capital city, its once vibrant glow now noticeably dimmed. The coral gardens appeared less colorful, and the playful energy of the marine life seemed subdued. Our heart of the ocean, a powerful crystal that sustains the balance of Aquamarina and the surrounding seas, has been fractured, Coralia explained, her voice heavy with worry. Its shards are scattered throughout the deepest and most treacherous parts of our realm. The mermaid princess revealed that the fracturing of the heart of the ocean had not been accidental. A dark force, originating from the abyssal trenches, had sought to plunge Aquamarina into chaos and seize control of the ocean's magic. This malevolent entity had unleashed monstrous creatures and treacherous currents to guard the scattered shards.